Hey dudes, what's going on? My full name is Odysseus Colas and you can find me with the alias of Codito. Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create applications and websites with React.js. So first of all I'm gonna make some tutorials about React.js for beginners. It is important in order to understand and generally to know the way that React works. So what is this lady which is called React? React.js is a well-known framework which gets support from JavaScript. So for all of you guys that you don't know what is JavaScript, JavaScript is the king of web. And one of his famous library is React.js, also Angular and Vue. So we are going to talk about React.js. React.js has been created from the best engineer of Facebook. And first of all guys, in order to install our React in our PC or desktop, or laptop, we need some basic things. We need the Node.js. So first step, install Node.js. Just go to your web and install here Node.js. Okay, I have already here Node. Go to Node site and then press later features. Also there are options for Windows or Mac. Personally I have Windows, so I'm gonna choose download for Windows. Okay, you can see here home, downloads. Okay, here there are the options for Windows. For Mac, if you have Mac, just press for Mac. I have Windows, so then guys, go and push save, and you are gonna see your download file in your folder which called downloads. Okay, after this just push here the program that you downloaded. Okay, then press next. I'm not gonna do it because I already have installed Node.js. Press next and just follow all the process. Okay, guys, after this go to your search here and just press CMD, right, SMD, press. Okay, then guys, in order to see if all things went right, just press the node -- version. If you see the version, everything is okay. So we can see here the v8.11.2. we have the version here. After this, now we are ready to create React applications. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna create a folder here with a name of, let's call it my React. Okay, just then just After this, go here and we want now the destination. Okay, just press cd desktop, opa, mistake here, desktop. Okay, now we are in desktop, and then we want to go in cd my react, and now we are inside in this folder, which is here. Right. After this, we want to install React. npm install. Sorry, I want to see something. npm create React app. Just write npm create React app. Okay, copy here, or just write it. npm create npx create React app just write first app. Okay, press enter, and then now we just wait for the installation to be completed. Okay guys, now we see that our installation takes installed, but must be a string. Something's gonna create a new region. It's gonna create a React app now. This procedure is gonna take a couple of minutes, so don't worry about this. So guys, you see how easy it is to install React. First of all, it is necessary to follow some basic steps, and now I'm just gonna explain a couple of things. In the next video, I'm gonna make a good introduction in React. And also guys, I'm gonna explain how to use Visual Studio Code. I highly recommend you to use Visual Studio because it's very extremely easy to combine it with React.js. Also a very good advantage of Visual Studio Code is that it comes with the emmet, which is default, and you don't need an external way to install the emmet. Emmet is super awesome and useful because it can help you when you write words in your editor. Also, previously I used Sublime, which is super cool. I like it. Sublime is the best, is the fastest editor. But guys, Visual Studio Code is super awesome. Both of them are good, but something that irritates me in Sublime is that every time a box appears which says that you have to pay in order to not see this box. I'm sure that you will enjoy React. It's a very nice framework, and you can make nice applications. A good advantage that makes React quick and amazing is that everything works in memory. So you don't need, for example, to influence the DOM with JavaScript, when you were creating websites with HTML and you had to influence the DOM by just using JavaScript. This behavior, generally this way, wanted time because you work with the DOM. Here you don't work with the DOM, and generally you don't influence HTML. Everything works behind the scenes, the memory, and this make React super fast. And it's amazing when you don't see delay in your website, because as I said, everything works in the memory. You can't see it, but you can understand how, with the speed. So now we wait for the installation to be completed. As I told you, it requires a little time. So guys, what other you can learn? First of all, my opinion is, if you want to learn React, okay, you have to spend time in React. How much? It depends. There are guys who can learn in 3 months, others in 1 month. Personally, I believe that in order to learn pretty good React, you want at least 1 month. Because if you learn React in 3 months, you can learn. You are gonna forget it very, very quickly. So it's not it's not meaningless that in order to learn something good, you have to spend time. Okay. Also, don't press yourself to learn many languages at the same time. It's foul, guys, and you are gonna regret it. I did it, and I don't recommend you to do it. It's very bad, and in the end you are going to give up. Just start with React. Also, React it will appear to be easy for you if you know some, at least basic things about JavaScript. As I told you, React is JavaScript generally. So if you know good JavaScript, it will be easier for you to learn React. This doesn't mean that if you don't know JavaScript, so you are not capable of learning React. Of course, does not mean that you can learn without JavaScript, but without JavaScript, it could be for you like climbing a mountain. Difficult, guys. I'm sure that you will enjoy React. Come on, just finish. Oh. Okay guys, this is my favorite card. Has my logo. Don't you like it? I know that you like it. Has some hair for my dogs. Let's put it. Nice. Yeah, job done. Okay, we installed React, and now Now guys, I don't want to confuse you and start it from Visual Studio Code, so I'm gonna start it from the command prompt here. Okay, how we can do it. Next time I'm gonna show you how to do this with, or I'm gonna show you both ways. So now, how can you start React? Just go to my folder, to our folder, my React. Okay, here we see the first app that we created. See the first. Now, let's minimize it, right? We want now to go in this file, first app. Now we are in my React app and we want to go inside this file. Just push cd first app. Okay, now we are here, and how we can see our React app? Just write npm start and it's gonna start automatically. Okay, you see here, it's gonna start. And voila guys, this is our first touch with React.js. I hope that you like it. And here, yes, React.js. Isn't it amazing? Okay, now that you have installed your React.js, minimize it. I'm just gonna open now my Visual Studio Code. Okay. I have some other files here, so just minimize it for a while. Go to my React, open it, nice. Just grab, drag and drop it, just grab it. And leave it here. Cool. Okay. Open now. Side here. Now go to your source and you can see the app.js. Open app.js, right? And I'm gonna make a small introduction. Okay. Now we want to get rid of this and just put some words. Okay. How can you do it? Just delete it. Right. Now our application has been crashed because we delete some components. Logo is not defined. Okay. Here let's see. We call logo, but it does not exist. What can we do? Just delete of this thing. Right. Header. And we can create our own application now. Just right, guys. You can see that some things are extremely easy and familiar to you. You use here HTML. You see that this is HTML, okay? But in reality, is not HTML. It's JSX. They made it to be the same with HTML in order to be familiar and to get used easily with this thing. Okay, just right here, H1, welcome to React.js Codito. Right guys, very nice, don't you like it? Now we write React. Also guys, what else we can write HTML in inline here. Just write also guys, and I'm gonna show you that you can't use the class here. Okay, equal class, let's write color red. Nice, nice. But as you can see, it does not work. We can't see the red color, and the reason for this is that we can't use the name class like in CSS. Okay, class is a reserved word in JavaScript. So what can you do? How can we fix it? Very simple. Just go to, or don't go. You want the word class name. You can see here class name. Just press enter, and now we can see the color. Why? H1 class name color red. Yes. Why? Let's see what happened here. Color red. No. It's not gonna work. Okay, I know that it's not gonna work. Just run this background. Just write red. Okay. No. Red. Sorry guys, my mistake. Which one? Style. My mistake guys, I just stating. In order to make background green, this is style. We use style in order to create inline classes. Okay, so how could you use the class name? Very easy. Also we can change here. We can just put and the color just write red. Nice, super cool. Okay, just delete it now, and I'm gonna do it with another way. Okay, just delete it all. Style class name equal just call it welcome. Why not? Right. Welcome. Okay, now you have to go to your CSS file, app.css. Okay. Now I want to explain you. Just Control A, press Control A, delete it. Nice. Now guys, here you see that we import a CSS file. Import .app.css. It is here. Okay, and now just write like writing in a normal CSS file. .welcome. Okay, just write text align sender. Nice. Just write the background that you have previously, which the background is green. Okay, and the color that we have, which is the red color. Nice. And voila guys, I don't like this color here, but we did it for the tutorial. Nice guys. This is our first touch with React.js. I'm gonna make another tutorial which I'm gonna explain it better, but now you took a first aspect about it. That guys, so I hope you like it, and if you like it, just press the thumb and of course subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day guys.